Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and today is another video of sewing and DIYs. I hope you watch till the end of this video and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. For today's video, I will show you how to sew a simple wrap dress that can be worn for any occasion. Let's start sewing. So this is the fabric that I will be using. And this is the shirt that I will use for tracing the bodies of the dress. So for the front size of the bodies, I folded the shirt like this and cut following the pattern. After cutting, it will look like this. And as you can see, it has two pieces each because I wanted the bodies to have a lining. And this is also the back side of the bodies which I cut. And for the length of the skirt of the dress, I am marking 26.5 inches. For the waistline, I will just trace the lower part of the shirt and cut. So after cutting the skirt, it will look like this. This is the front part and the back part. Now I will start sewing the bodies together with the lining. After sewing, I am making cuts on the neck and sleeves as it will help to have a nice curved look after flipping. And then, I also did a top stitch on the lining area. Now I am ironing the sides after top stitching and flipping the bodies to make it look nice and flat. After ironing, it will look like this. Now I will sew it together. And this is how it looks like after sewing. Next, I will sew the skirt from this side to this side. And this is how it looks like after sewing the skirt. And as you can see, I also did a zigzag stitch to make a lettuce ruffle effect on it. I also cut this fabric for the dress, like a waistband to connect the bodice and the skirt. I will sew it first on the bodice, and then after that, I will sew it on the skirt. I'm putting the bodice and the waistband right side together and sew. Now I'm sewing it together to the skirt. Lastly, I'm top stitching the waistband to hide all the raw edges inside, and we're finished. And this is the final look.